Well, it's no secret that I have a very, very high regard for my co-actor. Just coming back to the question that you did ask, I guarantee you've never seen Deepika like this before. You know, when it comes to an actor star, I guess the excitement is always to see them in a different avatar, especially for the new breed of actors, the actor of tomorrow, who's all about versatility, where you're not coming as yourself every time, where you're always getting into the skin of a character and giving the audience something new to be excited about. So if you go to see Cocktail, if you go to see Ye Jawani Hai Diwani, if you go to see Chennai Express, they're all so diverse. And then you have Ram Leela to follow, where you've done something where you've never done before. And I think Ishkyan Dishkyan, to connect to your next question, is a type of performance that you haven't seen her do before. Really letting her hair down and going, You, you never seen her do that before. She's always graced and poised and elegant. Of course, you expect these pelvic thrusts and dirty expressions from me. But when I hit her with them, she comes back with the so yeah, I mean, that was a lot of fun. It's funny you point that out because that's the first time you've seen her let her hair down and do something like that. It was a lot of fun to shoot. It's probably not a good idea to do Lutera and Ram Leela back to back because you might lose your sanity. It's both are very, very intense love stories and they require a lot of you. So you live and learn. With a little bit of experience, I'll know now to space out these films because I pour my heart into it. There's no other way I know how to do it. So it can, take its toll on you. We know of examples of thespians in the past who've had serious issues because they do these types of films. So I don't want to put myself through that. It is probably not a good idea. But what's great about it is that Lutera and Ram Leela, the pitch of my character was it's like almost poles apart. Here you have a completely raw and uninhibited guy, and they're a very reserved and brooding guy in Lutera. So hopefully people will see the difference in Ram Leela, and I may get a few brownie points for that. And yeah, about these link-ups, yeah, it is getting a bit irritating because it doesn't constitute the essence of why I do what I do or why I'm here. I come to act in films, I do what I do between action and cut, and that's really why I'm here. So this precedence that it's taking, my personal life in the media, is getting a little bit irritating, but I hope things will change after Friday. In fact, I'm quite sure they will. No, I'm a man's man. I've been a ladies' man, but now I've grown up, and my next film is a boys' film called Gunde. So please watch out on Feb 14th also. So I was just saying that since it's the biggest store, that and we've come here, and you have been so kind. I think we've come for this thing that really feels like a party. The energy in this room is amazing. So I'm thinking कि party में आए हैं, so we should also get a return present. Like an iPad or something, like, I don't know, maybe a TV. So when you come to big parties, how kids go back with the return present. तो मिला present चाहिए. राम जी की चाल देखो, आंखों की मजाल देखो, करो ये धमाल देखो, दिल को तुम संभाल, और चाल देखो, ढाल देखो, रगों में उबाल देखो, ओ देखो, ओ देखो, ओ देखो, देखो दीदी. Thank you, thank you.